So for this ponytail, using our expression hair extension, we're going to divide it into three parts, into three equal parts. Then you cut it, and then I separated mine into two. I used just two parts because I didn't want it to be too full or too scanty, so I just used two sections of the three sections that I cut the hair extension. Yes, so when you're done with that, you're just going to pick your hair extension. You're going to pick it, so you're just going to watch while I do that. You pick it, then you brush it just the same way you prepare for your braids. So this is what the hair should look like after picking and brushing. Yes, then when you're done with that, you're going to take an elastic band or a hair tie to pass it through the middle and just knot it, since it's going to be a detachable ponytail. You're using your hair tie or your rubber band or your hair band. Yes, so once it's properly knotted, we are moving over to the flat ironing of the hair. Make sure to brush out any rough edges, any tangled parts. Then after that, just use your thread or your wool to tie the knotted parts. Yes, just tie it just the same way doing this, and make sure it is well secured. Then we move over to the next step. Okay, so here we're done with that, and we're just going to move over to flat ironing our ponytail. So I'm using a, should I say, mini flat iron. Yeah, that's the one I have. So I'm using a mini flat iron, and if you're using the main flat iron, you're going to do that on a medium heat. But since this flat iron doesn't have like a regulator, I just put it on and off. That's all. Then you take a little section and you just move it up and down just the same way I'm doing. It's very simple. You just keep flat ironing until you see that sleek look that you want. So you just keep on doing that until you're satisfied with what you want. As you can see, it's already getting straight. Should I say it has this bone straight kind of look. Yes, so we're just going to continue it until we are done with the whole ponytail. So this is what your ponytail should look like. As you can see, it has this silky look and feel. Then when you're done with that, you're cutting it at shoulder length. You can measure it on your body just to know where shoulder length is. And as you can see, this mannequin, it's already looking like shoulder length you get. But as I did mine, I retrimmed it again. So you just keep on trimming it until you get the perfect length that you want. So this is what it looks like, and when we are done with that, we're going to just make one braid. We're just going to braid out one braid just so we could use it to wrap our hair, or let me say the ponytail. So you're making an extra braid that will be like the string. Should I say string? Yes. So we are making one extra braid, and then we are moving over to styling my hair. Yes, so now we're done with the ponytail, and we're moving over to the hair. I parted my hair into 4 parts, so just keep on watching to see how I achieved the style I wanted on my hair, because I didn't want to add too much gel on my natural hair. Here I'm done with the styling of the hair, and we're just going to attach our ponytail to the hair. So you're just going to keep on watching to see how I achieved my sleek ponytail look and how I decorated it. So here I use that braid that we made to just wrap it around and secure it on my hair. So just keep on watching, you're going to see the whole deal. So I used the rainbow colored string to just add some, color to my hair, because I love accessorizing my hair. So this is what the hair looks like. I actually had no idea that there was a string sticking out at the back of my hair. Oh my god. So this is what the ponytail looks like. As you can see, it's sleek. I am so in love with this look. It's so cute. It's so simple. So that's it.